naturally shy, but you have to push yourself to do something that you've never done in order to be able to be successful in it. And you'll never know unless you do it. You know, so I'm just, you know, being here, just encouraging you with my natural hair. Today is one of those days where I'm happy about this being a good day. Somebody shake your hair. You might have a good day. And then there's days where you have horrible days. Like I was telling her, she said, oh, I just love your hair. And I'm like, today was one of them days where I was like, it worked out. But then there's days where you wake up and you be like, goodness gracious, what happened to my hair today? Like, can this hair work? And you be using all kind of products and it just don't be working out. And then you have a good day. And I woke up today and it was a good day. So, you know, be encouraged. Your hair is beautiful. You know, your hair is beautiful. But if you need tips on how to style your natural hair, my channel, write it down. Toy Be Natural. If you got a pen, write down. Toy Be Natural. It's so that this is my YouTube channel, Toy Be Natural. Instagram, Toy Be Natural. If you have any questions, products you would like to use, you can just text me and say, hey, Toy, my hair, I want to do this, but I can't figure out how to do it. And I don't know everything, but I can give you some tips on how to do something with your hair. Figure out what stores to go to, what's cheap, you know, what is inexpensive right now. I'm telling people about Cantu products. Cantu products are amazing. You can get those for like $6 anywhere. You can get them at Walgreens. You can get them at Walgreens. You can get them at Myers, Walmart. It's an inexpensive product, but you can get so many different things for your hair. $6. You know, they got so many products out here that's like $20, $30, and it's so expensive. But you can Cantu products. $6. Another product, Longaid Curl Activated Gel. A lot of people are using Eco Styler gel. Longaid Curl Activated Gel is a really good gel that's a natural moisturizing aloe vera juice in it. Really good, helps grow your hair. It's really good for you. And if there's any questions that you would like to ask me right now to just kind of get some things going here, you feel free to ask. The gel? Yeah. You can get that I normally do this but you can look it up and order it as well. Yes, I do. Toy and Bracy. So the Facebook page is Toy and Bracy.
Okay, spell that Toyinn. Toy.
That's my Facebook page. My name is Toyinn Bracy. Toyinn.
Toy Be Natural.
That is my YouTube. Toy Be Natural. Toy because it stands for Toyinn Bracy. So Toy Be. Just Toy Be Natural.
Oh, no E.
Toy Be Natural. And what else I say? So my Instagram is Toy Be Natural. It's also Toyinn. I also sing. I have a live recording coming up next week. So I do that as well. I do concerts and stuff like that. Question.
What was the name of the gel?
Longaid Curl Activated Gel. That's what I have in my hair right now. Right now I have, I washed my hair with a deep conditioner from As I Am. Left that in my hair for a few days. Then I went and kind of let my hair, like, so you know when you have deep conditioner, they tell you to rinse it out, leave it in, let your hair get moisturized. Just to give y'all a little tip real quick. Let that sit in your hair for a while. And don't take it out. It'll condition that hair and keep it nice and soft. Then after that, melts into your hair, add some oil, liquid oil and cream. So add a little water, spritz it with water, add some oil, and then your gel. Okay? So 4 things. Your liquid, your oil, your cream, your gel. And those will help keep your hair awesome. Deep conditioner, so your hair will stay soft. You want it to be soft, you wash it, put deep conditioner in it, leave it in there. That's a tip to help you. And the book that I got that from is called The Curly Girl Method. Okay? And you can look that up on YouTube as well. Curly Girl method, and it is an amazing method to help you build the curls in your hair. If you want to build out your natural curls, or if you just want to just wear your afro, whatever way you want to do it. The afro is just combing your hair out. But if you want your hair to have the curls in it, you want to do deep conditioners and things to keep the condition of your hair good. Okay?
What brand do you use for deep conditioner?
You can use any kind of brand as long as it's a good one, but you want to have all natural. So As I Am has a natural, all natural products inside of it, like aloe vera juice. You want shea butter, coconut oils, things like that. The brands As I Am is good, Cantu is good, deep conditioner, and the Cantu deep conditioner is only $2. $2. It is amazing. What else is another one I use? Question? Am I making a lot of sense in here? And helping? Okay. Protein is your shea butters, your coconut oil. So you know people be saying you need a treatment, but if you get your good oils, they have protein in them. So your coconut oil is good for your hair. That's excellent. It'll actually straighten your hair out naturally. Shea butter. Those two are the best.
The yellow shea butter?
Yes, the yellow shea butter. And I make it on my channel. I'll show you how to make it into a good cream so it'll be able to be applicable to your hair.
She had a question. That girl in the red had a question.
I'm sorry.
No, she said, oh yeah, she did.
Because sometimes shea butter can be hard to apply when it's thick like that, so you have to make it.
No, we don't.
Is there another question?
No.
Yeah, they have it right at Value Beauty, right on Capitol. Right on Capitol, Value Beautiful. Right there. Beauty Island. Beauty Island.
$7 discount.
Yeah.
We got a running joke in the building about edges. We got an entrepreneur that says she gonna start a business to have lace front edges. And you know what? They laugh at my when I said when you gonna hit this girl find a way, she gonna be rich.
They're literally doing that. They're literally.
I'm telling you, like, our edges, we do so much to our hair, and it starts thinning out.
That is my number one reason why I started, because that is, and I have like a little, it's a hair growth tip, because that's the number one in our community that's causing our hair to fall out, is because we're not embracing our hair. We're pulling it all out with things, we're covering it up, we're suffocating our hair. So we have to be comfortable in allowing our hair to air dry, allowing it to be free, then figuring out, taking that time. You know, you have to take that time to figure out, you have to take that time to figure out what to put in that hair so you don't, so you don't make your hair fall out. Because a lot of us, our hair will be down our back.
Right.
But because we didn't know how to take care of our hair and we had the wrong products, this is what we're dealing with. The European, United States, everything is made for them. So we didn't know how to take care of hair, what to use for our hair, what makes our hair nice. Our hair, we use oil on our hair and it'll turn soft as ever. But if we use water, it gets just hard and prickly. We can't do that because we don't have oils in our hair like the European does. So for your edges, for your castor oil is really good.
Vitamin E.
Oils. Vitamin E. My mom is right here. She's natural too.
She helped me. My hair was like this. I had a bald spot up here, and then she helped me, you know, with the conditioners and everything. And so it's really long now.
It's really growing.
So I just keep it up, you know, protective style. You know.
And it used to shed, but not no more.
Not no more, yeah. No
And
more.
be comfortable in wearing your hair in protective styles, but be careful with the braids, with the extensions, because they just kind of wear. Our hair is fine, regardless of what anybody say. Our hair is fine, and because it's fine, it'll break off. The European people, they have thicker hair. The hair is thicker, the strands are thicker, they're stronger. That's why it grows longer. And when you mix the two, that's why the hair is curly and it's thick and long. Our hair, we have to be very fragile with it for it to grow. So the edges, castor oil. Don't put too much on it to put too much stress on the edges. Don't do too much to it. You do something to your hair and then leave it alone and be really gentle when you're doing your edges.
She had to ask me a question. She said, what am I supposed to do? Mama said, I'm tired of doing
And I mean, it's fine, but this is just for you, so that when you get older, you will know, okay, be careful, even when your mom gives you these, you know, in here, you just have to be careful. Because every time when mom puts stuff in your hair, she always say, be careful. You know, she said, be careful, don't mess up your hair. But what she's saying is be careful because she don't want you to break out your hair, she don't want you to do something to your hair out, you know. So you still just have to be careful with your hair, that's why you do it. Be careful with it. And then as you get older, there's things that you can do to cause your hair to grow that will make it a little different from what mom did. You know, to take it to a whole other level. So what mama did was good. She keeps it cute. Yeah. It's okay.